Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. Okay, so I am so excited to share with you guys this week. I've officially teamed up with my favorite Prickly Pear Seed Oil company, Carter & Jane, and they make the everything oil. This is really so exciting. And so what that means is that you guys get a discount code. Yay! Carter & Jane has been incredibly generous with the promotion that they're offering. So when you purchase a Carter & Jane Everything Oil in the full-size 1-ounce bottle, which is $128, with my discount code, the Organic Esthetician, you get a free 12 milliliter travel size Carter & Jane oil, which is a $58 value. So cool. Go to their website, I'll link it down below, and use code Organic Esthetician to get both of these products for the price of one. For those of you who haven't already watched my Prickly Pear Seed Oil video, I'll link it down below, but let's recap why I love this oil so much. Prickly Pear Seed Oil is super rich in linoleic acid. It has over 60%. Linoleic acid is an essential fatty acid that's naturally occurring in the body, and studies show that acneic skin types actually have less linoleic acid present in the skin. So by introducing an oil high in linoleic acid, you can actually combat acne and prevent future breakouts. It has vitamin E, 150 times more vitamin E than argan oil. So it's super calming, soothing, anti-inflammatory. It's antioxidant rich. It helps fight free radicals, which is something that we're always trying to prevent the accumulation of in the body. And it's incredibly healing, not just for acne, but for all types of irritation on the skin. It's also rich in vitamin K, which is great for reducing under eye darkness and also, again, fighting acne. It has zinc, which also fights acne, and flavonoids, which are super rich in antioxidants and help fight more inflammation. This oil is non-comedogenic. It is a 0 on the comedogenic rating, which makes it so fantastic for every single skin type. This really is one of the very few one-size-fits-all products. So no matter what skin type you have, whether you have more mature skin and you're looking for anti-aging, or if you're younger and have oily acneic skin and want something to help reduce inflammation, prevent breakouts, and even balance your skin so that your natural sebum production backs down, the Everything Oil is fantastic for that. What's cool about the Everything Oil versus other prickly pear seed oils is that it also has this A3 concentrate in it. So the A3 concentrate is a blend of organic sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and aloe vera. So this A3 concentrate actually helps intensify the effects of prickly pear seed oil, creating a really amazing delivery system into this. So Carter & Jane is a pretty small company. I think it's just the two owners, Susan Carter and Sarah Jane. And I not only love this oil, I really love these ladies. They're so fantastic, just like really great all around amazing human beings. So they source their prickly pear seed oil from a organically grown, eco-certified farm in Morocco, and they work with a co-op of Berber women to harvest the seeds. So that not only are they giving back, but they're doing it in a sustainable way. And I love supporting companies that are doing cool things, making really amazing products, and female owned and operated, I think, is always a plus. You know that I love this oil. I use it every day. I use it as a serum. Sometimes I use it as a moisturizer. I put it on my lashes to condition them. I use it under my eye to help relieve darkness. I put it through my brows. I smooth it through my hair. You could use it as a body oil. You could use it as an oil cleanser. You can use it in your makeup. You can use it as a highlight. It really is the everything oil. For anyone that's like super minimal and they're looking for just one product, I truly think that this is it. It's so easy, it works on all skin types, and, well, why don't I just show you how I use it? I use the Everything Oil as part of my everyday routine. I layer it on after my serums but before my moisturizer. Because I have pretty dry, kind of sensitive skin, I like the extra layer of moisture over the top. If you have oilier skin, you could easily use the Everything Oil as your daily moisturizer. Get my hair out of the way. So I like to do about 4 drops. And I press it in all over my face. I like to get all the way up underneath my eye because this oil blend is so great for darkness or puffiness under the eye. And I like to even rub it into my lash line as a conditioning treatment. You can do the same thing into your brows. Now that you've applied your oil up underneath your eye, you can use your rose quartz roller to do some lymphatic drainage or even to massage it into any fine lines you might have. I do 2 more drops for my neck and décolleté. And it's also really great to smooth out flyaways and give your hair just a little extra moisture. I have fairly reactionary skin, and from time to time I get some pretty intense sensitivity, especially when I'm trying new products or going a little crazy with exfoliation. It happens to me too. So on those nights, I tend to do a double layer of the Everything Oil. I apply it just like I showed you, 4 drops pressed into the skin, and I let it sit there for a little bit. I wait a few minutes, and then I apply a second 4 drops of oil, pressing it into my skin. I find that this layering of the oil gives me really great added moisture, and it's incredibly soothing. I'll wake up in the morning, my inflammation will be reduced, and my skin really glows. You can tell even just after this single application how you kind of glow from within. It's one of my favorite things about this oil. And for someone with breakouts or that has more acneic skin, this is a fantastic oil to use as a treatment. I definitely do spot treatments sometimes or massage it into a breakout when I get it. And not only does it help to reduce the inflammation, but it also helps to reduce pigmentation after your breakout. So another way you can use this oil is to mix it into your foundation. I like the Jane Iredale Glow Time BB Cream. And I'll do about, a little over a pea size amount of product. A little bit goes a long way with this. And a drop of my oil. And I'll work them together, and it kind of shears it out. But it gives you this really nice hydration, because I find that sometimes this foundation can leave my skin a little dry, especially through my T-zone. Similarly, you could apply your foundation and then press in a little bit of oil over any dry patches. Sometimes I'll do this after a full day of wearing makeup to rehydrate the look without making it look cakey by adding more makeup. And I'll just press in a little bit of oil to the areas that need more moisture. So once your makeup's all done, I absolutely love highlighter. I love glowing. I like a really nice defined cheekbone. And so I will take 1 drop of the Everything Oil, rub it into my fingers, and press it on the tops of my cheekbones as a little extra glow. And then whatever's left over, I might run through my brows or even, again, through my hair. I got all the flyaways. So much frizz. Some nice glow, huh? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Fun news this week, I hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you to all of you who are new to the channel, and for all of you who have been following along since the beginning. Ugh, I love you all so much. I'm so appreciative of all of your comments and the questions you ask. I love getting feedback from you. So make sure you like this video. Leave those questions and comments down below. I respond to every single one of you. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post weekly videos almost every week. It's kind of challenging sometimes. And I will see you next week. Bye.